External fill allows for easy access to the Crux reservoir for easy filling, cleaning and ice addition. 2-zipper fill cover provides top or bottom of reservoir compartment entry points. Quick release shoulder straps unclip for easy removal and stowaway inside built-in pocket. Adjustable sternum strap. Hook and loop strap management. One of our most trusted and well-known packs, the ThermoBak 3L, continues to impress with updated features and technology. The new 3L, 100 ounces Mil Spec Crux Reservoir delivers 25% more water per sip while the style maintains the ergonomics and optimal infrared reflectivity it's famous for. Top reviews from the United States. Why the negative reviews? This is a top-of-the-line product that's been deployed in harsh environments across the world and has stood the test of time since the early 2000s. The negative reviews are just people saying that there's no space to store things on this one when that's the point. This is a sleek bag meant for strictly one thing, water hydration. That's why I bought. In fact, I bought specifically cause it had no extra storage space. I have a bag for that. There are definitely selections for space if you want that in a hydration carrier made by CamelBak. Look in the recommended